Good morning. This is July 1st. We're 3 days away from celebrating July 4th and the wonderfulness that we call America and all the beautiful recipes that we can create for our excuse to eat delicious food. Okay, so today, DDK Recipe Books is going to show you how to do a twist on everyday muffins. Now, today's muffins of choice are one of my faves. They're triple berry, okay? Now, these are just an add water and milk type of thing. They make 6 medium-sized muffins, okay? And they have blueberries in them. They have blackberries in them. They have raspberries in them. It's a triple berry. Okay, now here's what the package looks like without the top cut off. It's just a Betty Crocker. These are really decent muffins, just as they are, without boosting them. But we're going to boost them because that's what DDK does to everything. She boosts everything to make it better and more delicious. I mean, what's not to like, right? Okay, so this is the muffin package. You can buy them at Walmart. You can buy them at Cub. You can buy them at your favorite grocery store. They are wonderful, very inexpensive. They're usually $1 a package. Well, now you're seeing, of course, some liquor. Like I tell you, I put liquor in a lot of my recipes, almost all of them actually, because it just tastes as good and it just adds an extra texture. Today we're going to use some rum, very inexpensive rum. Okay, you can use any kind of rum you want. Okay, that's one of the rum. We're going to use about an ounce. Then we're going to use a little Gianelli liqueur. This is triple sec. Again, about an ounce, so that's 2 ounces total in this cup for 2 packages of the triple berry muffins. That's not a lot, but it's enough to give it a little bit of extra boost. Okay? Then we're also going to add about a half a cup approximately of this blueberry pie filling and topping to this dry recipe. The packages are in here now. And we're going to mix those ingredients all together and get them all blended. Then we're going to add a cup of milk total for 2 packages, because of course we're half a cup each. So this has a cup of 2% milk. And I did have a little extra half and half, so I added a little of that to this 1 cup, about a quarter cup, half and half, just to make it a little creamier, a little richer. Then we've got our muffin cups lined up in our muffin pan, of course, because we have to be ready. And we're going to bake these because it's a dark pan. We're going to fill these cups about a little bit better than half full, because then you can make smaller muffins and get more. You don't need them that big, okay? Because then you can't have 2, all right? And we're going to bake them at 375 for approximately 12 to 14 minutes. I want you to try this recipe. This, again, is boosting triple berry Betty Crocker muffin mix, and a recipe that's similar. It is in my recipe books, my DDK recipe books. You got my digits, 612-859-3270. I'm going to get busy and make these babies. I hope you try them too. Get my recipe books. You will not be sorry. Ciao for now, babies. Gotta go.